16 methods to get a flat stomach without eating regimen or activity for brief-term deflating. She advises going convenient on the cruciferous veggies, like kale and broccoli, legumes, and leafy veggies. Despite the fact that they are extremely a nutritious choice as a rule, these fiber-rich meals can lead to some gasoline discomfort relying on how hydrated you are and the way so much fiber you probably consume. But when your intention is to reduce weight overall, consuming more actual, healthful meals and getting active is perpetually a wise option to go. Meanwhile, try these handy, science-backed changes for a flatter stomach. 1. Go to mattress prior. Bedroom sleep TEUTSCH. Getting under the covers a bit of quicker does not simply aid you avoid late nighttime snacking. Lacking out on a full nighttime's rest slows down your physique's metabolism, so if you want to rev up your calorie burn, plan on getting at least 7 hours of shut-eye. 2. Don't skip foods. Toast with avocado slices, sautéed spinach and fried egg. LILECHKA 75GETTY photos. One more metabolism boosting tip: consume every 3 to 4 hours, and that will have to include making time for breakfast. Study shows that individuals who omit a morning meal experience a surge in a hunger-related hormone later in the day. Usual snacks, which should incorporate fiber-filled complex carbs and protein, will keep you feeling full and your physique burning calls at a consistent rate. 3. Superb your posture. Home Administrative Center Desk Erica LAPRESTO. Straighten up and your figure appear higher. Correct away, advises the Biggest Loser trainer Kim Lyons. When your posture is good, you're automatically attractive and toning your belly muscle mass, she says. When you have got to remind yourself to stand tall, a couple of strategically positioned sticky notes must do the trick. 4. Sip more water. Water with lemon. Getty pictures. Maintain those fluids coming. Being dehydrated reasons the body to hoard water, Leon says, leading you to hold up to 4 excess pounds round your midsection. Goal for at least 8 cups of water or other fluids every day. 5. Devour more H2O. Hummus with contemporary veggies, above view on white marble. JENIFOTOGETTY photos. Yep, you learn that right. High water meals like fruits and veggies will fill you up faster, London says. Begin your meal with soup, salad, or her favorite select, pre-dinner sliced crudite and spicy hummus. The combo of capsaicin, a spice in scorching peppers, and the chickpeas' soluble fiber can aid curb hunger. 6. Brew some coffee. White cup of espresso on picker table in minimal grey living room interior. Real snapshot KATARZYNABIALASIEWICZGETTY portraits yet another win for your cup of joe. Caffeinated coffee is an average mild diuretic, which helps you depuff with the aid of disposing of excess water within the physique. Java's stimulating results additionally keep matters moving on your gut, London says. The regular bowel movements support with a flatter stomach. 7. Snack on nuts. High attitude view of almonds in bowl table. ANFISAKAMENEVA EYEEMGETTY Pix research has linked eating nuts with having a cutback waist circumference. Nuts are wealthy in monounsaturated fat, making them a more enjoyable prefers than pretzels. Make sure you persist with the unsalted models to stave off sodium-triggered puff, and maintain in mind one serving is ready, a small handful. 8. Have a seat. Restroom paper. Getty pics. Most ladies do not wish to speak about it, but you rather must put aside a particular time on a daily basis to make use of the bathroom, notes Judith Reichman, MD, a professor of obstetrics and gynecology at the School of California, L.A. If you do not, it's too handy to present into feeling rushed, and ignore the urge to head. As soon as you could have educated your mind to dismiss your physique's indicators, you put the stage for bloat-inducing constipation. 9. Add milk to your breakfast. Healthful breakfast with granola and strawberry. ZOLGA_FGETTY photographs. Pour low-fats milk in your morning cereal and you might have a belly-busting win. Diets high in calcium-containing meals have been linked with more healthy physique weight. Plus, the minerals observed in dairy merchandise, calcium, potassium, and magnesium, can support to counterbalance bloat-inducing sodium. 10. Devour extra slowly. Vegan poke bowl with avocado, beet, pickled cabbage, radishes. High view, overhead, flat lay SVETA_ZARZAMORAGETTY snapshots as an alternative than scarfing down foods. Make a point of chewing each bite as a minimum 10 instances before swallowing. The body has to work extra time to break down meals in the belly and intestines, which can result in most important gasoline and indigestion, Dr. Reichman says. Plus, when you eat speedy, you are extra susceptible to swallowing air, which can ratchet up your risk of feeling a bit puffy. 11. Choose more probiotics. Yogurt with granola and berries in bowl. ARXONTGETTY picks. Probiotics are good bacteria that aid your digestive procedure, spoil down meals, stopping the gastrointestinal problems that may keep you from having a flat belly, explains nutritionist Johnny Bowden, PhD, creator of essentially the most robust typical cures on earth. To be certain your plumbing is working at finest potential, Bowden suggests consuming an everyday serving of a probiotic-rich meals like yogurt, kimchi, miso, sauerkraut, or buttermilk. 12. Don't forget about prebiotics. Healthful Vegan Snack Board. Enrique Diaz, 7 CEROGETTY photographs. They may be the non-residing compounds that promote the development of these necessary bacteria. Veggies, fruit, nuts, beans, seeds, and 100% entire grains will provide your body's probiotics the gasoline they have got to survive and thrive, London says. 13. Quit gum. Sticks of gum. Getty Images. Since chewing forces you to swallow extra puff-producing air, it could also maintain you from squeezing into your skinny jeans, give an explanation for researchers on the American School of Gastroenterology. In case you have to freshen your breath, you are better off sucking on a mint. 14. Take a break. Warm knitted plaid, glasses, cup of hot coffee and ebook. DZEVONIIAGETTY graphics. When you're frazzled, your physique raises its production of steroids and stress hormones, which negatively affect your digestive process, causing main constipation, says Dr. Reitman. And as if that weren't adequate, stress additionally amps up the production of cortisol, a fight-or-flight hormone that sends extra fat directly to your midsection in its try to shield your imperative organs. To lessen tension, Dr. Reitman advises taking 20 minutes a day to loosen up. 15. Stroll it off. Lady jogging. Getty photographs. Although you can't get to the fitness center, attempt to squeeze in a 30-minute stroll day to day, Lyons says. The straightforward boost in metabolism will help you burn waistline fat extra efficaciously. And if you wish to determine, skip those items that promise stunning abs in minutes. A study from Kansas State College located most gadgets designed to goal abs believe infomercials do not reside as much as their promises. You'll see better results with normal exercise. 16. Or are attempting yoga. Don't be fooled, yoga might now not be a hardcore cardio workout, nevertheless it has a lot of stomach knocking down advantages. Prevention's flat stomach yoga program will tighten and tone your tummy in simply minutes a day, no crunches required.